Alright, I'm gonna show you guys how I removed my badging. I don't know, you can't see where it was anymore, but I had the ZX3 on that side. And now I'm gonna show you guys how we removed the focus. There was a place we bought it underneath. You can still see some residue, but I'll get it better off when I get it on there. All right, so I'll show you how I get rid of it. Well, a few easy steps. First thing I get is a plastic scraper. So when you scrape it off, you don't mess up the paint. Try not to put too much force. All you want to do is get majority of the lettering off. Some badging are riveted in or bolted in. Just make sure yours ain't one of those, but if you're working on a focus like I am, they're just stuck on with adhesive. There's the S. Of course, make sure it goes in the trash can so you don't let her. Work on it slowly. There's the U. It's not gonna be perfect. With a little elbow grease, it will be done. All right, there you go. And of course, you know, make sure you throw it away. All right, now we're gonna head back over to the car and take some Gooby Gone. There's a couple different forms of Gooby Gone. The one I have right now is Gooby Gone spray gel. For some reason, the spray part stopped working. So I'm gonna just use it on a rag and with a low elbow grease, it'll come off. All right, where's the Gooby going? Just gonna put a little bit on that. And you're gonna start putting it on there and just working it in. As you can see, the Gooby Gone is helping getting it off. So all you gotta do is let it soak on it a little bit and work it off. Just keep going. It's gonna be a while, so I'll be back in a couple minutes. All right, now since you got most of it off, I don't know if you can still see a little bit of where the buildup was at. Now this step, I mean, you can keep going with the Gojo if you want, but this step, I usually get my little thing of alcohol. There's alcohol in there. Put it on a rag. I'll put a couple times on a rag. And just take it around there. And as you can see, it just removes it. Takes it off. So you put a couple more alcohol and then just clean it up. And it'll look like the decal was never there. And usually I go afterwards with Windex. You don't have to do that step because the alcohol will be good enough. And that's how you take rid of the badging on a car. This one was on a 03 Ford Focus, my little project car. So if you guys like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and let us know if you want more content like this. All right, have a good one.